Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a beautiful pink wedding decor wedding centerpiece. Stay tuned if you want to see how I create this look. So thank you all for joining me. Thank you for all my subscribers and all my viewers. I do appreciate you all. So I decided to do a pink one today, and I hope you guys like it. The hoop is drilled onto the wood base, and then I spray painted it pink.
Boom. Watch this. Pow. Wham. Pa, pa, pa. Stable. You can put a lot of flowers on here. This is really good.
So first thing I'm going to do, make sure you cover your table if you're working on your dining table like myself. So today I'm going to be working with Pampas leaf. Okay, I have 4 of these bad boys. I have nice pink hydrangeas. This is pink eucalyptus, okay, and a few flowers, roses I should say, so I probably use some of these. I have some ranunculus and some small mini roses. Now I have the base here painted, and it kind of look a little dry, okay, so I decided that I'm going to use the petals of the hydrangeas and glue them all over the base. That's what I'm going to do right now. Matter of fact, before I do that, I'm going to put a piece of foam across here so I can stick my flowers. So I'm going to add the pampas first, and what I did, they come like this. Okay, and remember to check the description box where I got them. And I cut them like to that length and bend them to get that shape like the hoop. And my plan is to wire them with floral wire to the hoop. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3 pieces of wire here on this one. And I'm going to also add another one to this side, okay? Okay, so now I'm going to glue this on here. I'm going to put it around here. So I'm going to put a bunch. All right, guys. So now that I got the foam glued onto the wood and it's also glued onto the hoop, I'm going to go ahead and glue all these petals onto the wood. So here goes. Alright, so the plan is just to stick them into the foam. I want the longest piece. Which one is the longest piece? This one. Alright, so I just noticed that my hoop wasn't spray painted in like this area here. It was black, so I could see it. Make sure that you spray paint your hoop pretty well. All right, so far this is what I have. I'm going to go ahead and just add some of the flowers that I have. This is pink eucalyptus, so I'm going to add to both sides. Okay, you want to make sure, because the table is a centerpiece, and you know there's going to be you're going to have your guests over that side and guests over here. So I'm going to go ahead and add some on here, and I want to do it like so, just to stick up a little bit. And then with these, you can just bend them how you want them. And I'm going to add one over the other side. So I decided to add some greenery because I'm going to need, I don't want to lose a lot of flowers up here, so I have to hide the foam, and as well as the hoop as well. So I am going to, I went ahead and add green Ruscus, and this is green, this is eucalyptus. So I'm going to add some greenery here and then add some roses. So what I'm going to do now is just fill in the areas that I can see the foam with either Ranunculus or some miniature, the mini pink roses. Or this that I mentioned was cherry blossom. It's actually not. It's Camilla rose. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do right now. To cover the edge of the base, I went ahead and add the hydrangea petals to that area as well. All right, so I'm done adding all the flowers. I don't think I'm going to put anything else. So I'm going to add some orbs. That's going to be the final touch, and then display it. So this is the final look. This is another way you can display the centerpiece. So what I did here was cut the top of the hoop off, and it just created a totally different look, and I love it. It's just, you look very unusual. So if you like this, you can do your centerpiece this way or the full circle. Thank you so much for watching my video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.